Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to quickly add or remove a device from your Meraki Dashboard network. After you're logged into the Meraki Dashboard, we're going to hover over Organization from the menu on the left, and under the Configure section, click on Inventory. This page tracks all of the Cisco Meraki devices that have been added to any network within your organization, as well as devices that have been claimed but aren't currently in a network. To begin utilizing a device in your dashboard, it must be claimed first. In the top right corner of the screen, click on the blue button that says Claim Devices. From this pop-up, you can enter your order claim key. If we click on Claim Individual Devices, we can enter as many of the 12-digit serial numbers of the devices as we want. Make sure that each of the serial numbers are on their own line in the text box. Once all of your serial numbers or license keys have been entered, click the blue Claim Devices button at the bottom. If an error message appears indicating that the device is already claimed, verify that the device isn't already in this organization or another one. And if it is in another organization, it will have to be removed. Great, now we've got our device claimed and added to the network. But what if we want to remove a device from our network? In order to remove a device, you have to remove them from their specific device pages. If you're removing a switch, you would remove it by going to the Switching and Switches page. Select the device you would like to remove from the table and click the Remove button in the top right corner. For other kinds of devices, this process is the exact same, but the pages are found in different locations. If you're removing an MV camera, you would go to the Camera section. Same with MT sensors, MR devices, etc. Once you have removed the device from the network, you can now unclaim it. From the Inventory page, simply check the boxes next to the device you would like to remove, and then press the red Unclaim button in the top right corner of the table. Thank you for watching this video, and feel free to contact the Meraki experts at Rhino Networks if you have any issues.